Hi guys, today we are going to learn the purl stitch with the help of Joya Granny. You knit with two types of stitches, knit and purl. These are used to make any pattern. Now let's get started.
Here I have cast on 25 stitches. Hold the needle with stitches with your left hand, and remember, for purl stitch the main part of the yarn has to be at the front of the needle and the tail is hanging at the back. Now hold the yarn tight with your right palm and the last two fingers. With the other three fingers of your right hand, hold the other needle and insert the tip into the first stitch on the left hand needle from right to left. Now holding the two needles with your left hand, put the yarn in between the two needles with your right hand. Hold the yarn tight and slowly pull up the right hand needle with the yarn on it through the stitch on the left hand needle. You have the old stitch on the left hand needle and a new stitch on the right hand needle. With your left index finger, slowly push the old stitch out so that you have one stitch on the right hand needle and 24 stitches on the left hand needle. Remember, the stitch count must remain the same. Now repeat the process on the second stitch on the left hand needle. Insert the tip of the right hand needle, place the yarn in between the two needles, pull up the right hand needle with the stitch on it. So you have two stitches on the right hand needle. When you repeat the process on all the 25 stitches, you have worked on one row of purl stitches. After two rows, this is how the work looks like, and this is the ridge. You can see the ridge here. Now you turn it around and continue. Here we are when we have completed 10 rows of purl. You can see 5 ridges on one side and 5 ridges on the other side.
When you knit only purl, the work looks like the same as garter stitch pattern. Combining knit and purl lets you make various patterns. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video taught you something new. Most importantly, please like and subscribe.